welcome guys. Yeah, welcome. What's up, Emmanuel? How you doing? So guys, this session will not be much because I actually need to go back to sleep. I just want to give you guys some updates. Can you guys hear me? So as you're joining, just make sure you like. It's gonna be a short session. Okay, you're welcome guys. Just make sure you like as you're coming in. Beautiful morning to everybody. Welcome to another edition. This should be the 13th edition, not 12. Let me edit that. Okay, so let's just go to my screen straight up. I believe you guys are seeing my screen right now. So what we are waiting for, guys, you can see this is an uptrend. An uptrend started from here. Let me even draw Fibonacci. Where's my phone? Sorry, this movement started from here. It started from here. You can see this thing, it retraces back to 0.618 and it started going back up. So another Fibonacci is going to be drawn from here to here. So this thing retraces, it doesn't even get to 0.5 before it started heading back up. So another one is here. So we are joining the third leg though. I don't know if there's any visible trend line here. So what we are looking for on GBP USD is coming to the upside, okay, in as much as we sustain this level, which it has come, it has broken it, retest, then it's heading to the upside. So we are in this trade already, and our first level target should be here, our second level target should be here. That's like over 300. This is a swing trade. It's a swing trade, so that's why I can just enter it and just go and sleep. So if you are taking this trade with me on the private channel, I don't know, you can close in profit if you want to claim your profit, enter again if you come back to the entry. You can just keep taking it like that, close in profit, enter in profit, if you are saying that it's coming to retrace, because it has retraced, it's going up again, to retrace is going up again, but eventually it is coming up here. At least it's going to get here, or hopefully it's going to get here too. So that's what we are looking out for on GBP USD. Now I said it yesterday, was it yesterday, that I said I want a 4-hour candle to close above here, and 2 4 hours candle have even closed before I realized. And that was why we entered late, but you're still going to bag some pips. So now on gold, right now, yesterday I said it yesterday, I made a mistake yesterday, and I'm going to acknowledge that mistake, and I'm not going to do that mistake again. And I'm doing that mistake because of you guys, but I won't do that mistake again. I hope you guys can hear me. Guys, can you hear me? As you are coming in, just keep liking, okay? Keep liking the session. Those are going to be a short session where everybody just know what we are looking for in the market, and then we go. I need to go back to sleep. Okay. So now the mistake I made on this trade yesterday was that I was waiting for a 1 hour candle to close instead of a 4 hour candle. You see, this is one thing about me, and from the people that taught me. You see, 4 hour candle is always stronger than 1 hour candle, but 1 hour candle is prone to market manipulations. It happens yesterday. So ordinarily, if you are going to wait for 4 hour candle, we might not even take trade at all here unless you want to trade the news. But even at that 1 hour candle, this market still hit 1970, which happens to be my overall TP, and that's like over 300 pips. We took this trade from here to 1970. That's like over 230 pips, almost 250 pips that we missed yesterday. I took it, but at the point in time, because I was seeing some market manipulation, and I know that the trade is going to actually going to happen anytime soon. So what I did was that I moved my stop loss a bit to the upside, so that even if it's going to hit my stop loss, it's going to minimize my loss. But guess what? It hit that my stop loss and then went to our direction, and it smashed all the TP. It was painful though, but we move. So I used 1 hour candle yesterday. We entered at the close of this candle. So 3 hours it was playing with our emotions. You can see it was playing with our emotions. So this place was when it came to hit me out, then boom to the upside. So anytime I'm going to be waiting for a candle closure right now, it's going to be 4 hour candle, because that one will give me rest of mind, and it's going to actually make you too, your wait will worth it. You'll be happy when you eventually take the trade. Now I see gold still going up. If this 4 hour candle, this is 4 hour candle that is about to close in about 28 minutes time. If this 4 hour candle can close above this place, we are going to buy gold. Our first level target will be here, and our second level target will be here or here. So this is where I'm still hoping that gold will come. If our first level target is going to be, our second level target will be here. Let me look at what has happened in the past. You can see something has happened here. So our second level target is going to be somewhere around here or here, 2000. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for on gold. I'm waiting for that 1 hour candle to close, 4 hour candle to close. If the 4 hour candle close very well, we can take it. If it doesn't close very well, I'll wait for another 4 hour candle. You see guys, that waiting is part of the skill of this thing. So if I wait, and at the end of the day I enter my trade and I make profit, my wait will worth it. If I'm in a hurry and at the end of the day I enter the trade and the trade didn't go in a direction, it will be painful. Why not just wait? So I'm going to wait for a 4 hour candle to close and see how it closes. If it closes very well, we'll take it. If it doesn't close very well, we'll wait for another 4 hour candle. Okay, so that's that on gold. Are you guys with me? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? As you're coming in, just keep liking. Make sure you like this stuff. Make sure you like it. Guys, do you understand what I just explained right now? Do you understand? Do you guys understand? let me get some feedback in the chat box before I continue. I have some trade opportunity to share with you guys today. For some of you that have been on baby pips, that have been practicing on your own, so my explanation will be very clear to you. You can be able to make your decision even while I'm not there. Are you guys with me? Let me see some response in the chat box. Let me see some response in the chat box, guys. I'm waiting. I know there might be a delay, but I'm waiting. Okay, I think somebody also. Okay, I'm with you. Okay, it's fine. So let me just continue. Okay. So guys, just keep liking it. Let me continue. So now, while waiting for what gold will do at the end of this candle, let's check GBP/USD. I've talked about GBP/USD. GBP/USD might consolidate, might do whatever you want to do, but we are coming to the upside by God's grace. So our stop loss is way below here, so which is quite safe. Okay. Then Euro/USD. I'm bearish on Euro/USD, but if Euro/USD is going to, this is a 4-hour candle, right? You know, I said I want it to come and retest and then start going to the downside. So if you want to now change trend right now, this is like a triple bottom on 4 hours time frame, right? If you want to look at it that way, this is like a triple bottom. Let me just draw it out. Where is this, my tools? It's like a triple bottom. One, it retested it, secondly, thirdly, and then it rallied to the upside. So this might be a change of trend, a temporary change of trend. Let's look at it on the daily. You can see it came here, it went up again, it came to retest, it went up again, it came. Can you see? So this to let us know that this market might change trend, and it might have changed trend already. Might have changed trend already to the upside. So if you can get a proper 4-hour or daily candle close above here, this is not what we want to see. A 4-hour close or a proper daily candle, we're going to take Euro/USD to the upside. If not, if you get it come here, 4-hour candle close below here, we might short it to this level. So that's on Euro/USD. So on DXY is retracing. If this market retraces and retested here, hopefully it can start coming back to this downside right now. So meaning that if this market continues selling, gold will continue to be buying, GBP/USD continue to be buying, Euro/USD continue to be buying. Okay, so right now this thing is just doing as if you want to come and retest here and then continue to the downside. So either way, we are waiting. So now on USD/CHF, yesterday I said I want what? A weekly candle to close below the major, so you look for a sell. So now we have gotten like how many 4 hours candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours candle have closed below. So if you go to daily, you can see daily candle have closed. Guys, listening to this and learn from this. You see daily candle close below, daily candle close below, it went back up, daily candle close below, it went back up, daily candle close below, it went back up. So we cannot be moved by daily candle close, because all these things are daily candle close, but this thing did not still go down. So but if you come to weekly, you will see that no candle has ever closed below. All of them, they will come and they will go back up, they will come and so that's why the instruction here was that weekly candle must close below. So if weekly candle close below, it's an indication that okay, it has broken it and it's ready to come to the downside. So until then, we are not doing anything on USD CHF. Let's wait for this week. That means for the rest of this week, we are not going to do anything until this week end. By next week Monday, we'll make our decision. So that's that on USD CHF. USD JPY, I got nothing on USD JPY. I want the 4-hour candle to close below. We can short it, but now it didn't close. It got here and it started going back up. So GBP JPY also, I want a 4-hour candle to close below here. We take it to the downside. AUD USD is now also ready. USD card, my projection for USD card is upside, so I need it to break above this trend line, close above this trend line. With 4-hour candle close above it, then we take it to the upside. You can see it's doing something like a falling wedge, or falling wedge, something like that, or triangle. So on GBP card is going to do either two things: either break this line and come to the downside, or go up here, retest it and go to the upside. Now it's going up now. Let's see 4 hours candle close, retest, and then we take it to the upside. US 30 is about to be ready for us. In 3 hours time, you guys should remind me. I should check this pair, because what I'm waiting for, this is what happened yesterday, the news. Boom. I was waiting. If not for the news, we'll have entered this trade from here and take it to this level. But because of the news, we couldn't. So now what we're waiting for on it is that let's see if this 4-hour candle can close very well to this level. Then we are going to take it. Our first level target is going to be here. Then our overall level target is going to be here. So that's on NAS 100. I want this candle to close above, retest, then move to the upside. That's that about that. These ones too, they are not ready unless they close below. UK oil unless they close below, and BTC unless it close above this green before we take it to the upside. So that's all I have for you guys today. That's all I have for you guys today. So any question before I call it a day? I need to go and rest my head. I didn't have a good sleep. And that's why I'm not even showing my face, because I'm just topless. So I'm not wearing any clothes. I just have to do this so that I can go back to bed. What's up? Any question? Any question, guys? I won't be surprised if GBP will come down a bit to come and probably retest this level before it starts going to the upside, because DXY is also coming to retest this level before it further continue to the downside. So guys, be patient with your trade, unless if you are over leveraging, that you know you might be panicking with that GBP, but there's no panic zone. Okay. Gold. If gold closes like this, then we are not doing anything. We are going to wait for another 4-hour candle. Okay. So any question? Okay, so if there's no question, let me just wait for the delay of this. Okay, if you are out of the GBP, you can re-enter at let me look at an entry for you. You can wait for you if you just make sure you have your trading view on your phone and be monitoring this trade on a 4-hour candle. So this 4-hour candle I just started. If you see that you want to start going up, you can buy again. But if you see that it's not going up, you can just let this 4-hour candle to close. Let it close. After it close, probably it will come here. That's 1.22800. If the market can come to 1.22800, then you can buy again. Okay, let me just give you that. If the market will come to 1.22800, you can buy again, because it's likely to come and retest here before you start moving to the upside. Any other question? Guys, kindly like this video, kindly like this, this streaming. Give it likes, give it likes, give it likes, guys, before we call it a day. Increase the likes, increase the likes, increase the likes. You are almost 20 here, like you are 16 of us, you have 7 likes. Come on guys, increase the likes, increase the likes. Guys, increase the likes, increase the likes. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys. Any other question? I know someone is tapping that like. That's why I'm seeing all this love and smiley. Thank you. If you are anyone that is doing that, thank you for that. Others that have not liked, you can also like. It doesn't cost you anything. It's not expensive. It is free to like. Okay, if there's no question, then we might have to call it a day, and we already know what we are waiting for. Okay, thank you for all the people that just give the likes. Thank you, guys. So if you want to know what we are waiting for on all of these pairs, come and watch this video again. It is a very short video. Come and watch it again and understand. You can even watch it, play it and pause it, and use it to draw your own on your own trading view. Draw the same thing I draw, so that you can always wait for the same thing. So when those things happen, you can always take your decisions. Okay, so because I want this video to be short, let me just call it a day from here, so that for people that will come and rewatch again. Later, guys. Bye bye from here, guys.